What's going on today, guys? Sorry for the hiatus of everything. Just been super busy, obviously, with work. Kind of sucks and everything, but weather's starting to get a lot better here. It's like almost plus 20 degrees out Celsius. For Fahrenheit, I don't know, it's probably like mid 70s, low 80s. And yeah, I've just kind of been putzing around whenever I can just to kind of get this all done up and everything. But as you can see, we have everything plumbed in essentially. The only thing we don't have is obviously the screamer pipe from the wastegate, but everything is all somewhat buttoned in just to start getting some K on this thing. And yeah, let's fire this bad boy up. Love these cold starts. Woo. Look at the weather out there. That's pretty good. Shifter boot on or anything right now, or the glove compartment, as we were just busy with wiring and everything, but